At Wichita Falls Hearing, we know how important your hearing is to your everyday life. Whether it's sharing laughter with family or enjoying the simple sounds of nature, clear hearing helps you stay connected to what matters most. If you've been struggling with hearing loss or just aren't hearing as clearly as you used to, we're here to help. Right now, we're offering a free hearing test to help you take the first step toward better hearing. Our experienced team uses the latest technology to give you a complete picture of your hearing health. And the best part? It's completely free, no strings attached. You'll get personalized care and expert recommendations tailored just for you. No pressure, no obligation, just answers and options. Don't wait. Schedule your free hearing test with us today and start reconnecting with the world around you. Visit us at wichitafallshearing.com or click the link below. Wichita Falls Hearing, hear your best, live your best.